found in contempt and that sanctions be entered. In addition, at the first hearing, we asked for $1,000 in attorney's fees. We agreed to hold that in abeyance as a incentive for Mr. Chanel to comply by bringing the payments current and answering the discovery request, which he did not do. So we would ask that the court would enter that request. And then we also requested $1,000 for today for having to bring this motion because discovery had not been provided. And at the time the motion was filed, the payments had not been brought current. Now, about 2 weeks ago, Mr. Chanel did bring the mortgage current. My understanding, it is current as of June 4th, which is when the payment was due. Nevertheless, we had filed our motion and we are here. We emailed him the motion, we mailed him the motion, attempted service. He had already left for his job in Montana, but didn't know about today's hearing, and that's why he is here. Today in the hallway, he did provide me signed authorizations for his retirement account and a signed financial authorization, which I had requested. He hasn't filled out the financial disclosure statement as is required by statute in order for the final hearing to be complete. And he provided me pay stubs. I believe, I haven't had a chance to look at them because he just gave them to me. But I believe what he said is they go back to the beginning of the year, which will be helpful. Just a little background, these folks have not filed a joint income tax return. Was it starting in 22? You didn't do it in 22? For sure, 2023 and 2024. And I don't have W-2s. Mr. Chanel indicated today that he can get those, and I've asked him to do so. Even though he signed the retirement authorization, he has told me that it's Wilson McShane. He's told me that, but he hasn't, provided any written answers to anything. So that is where we stand on that. We would like him to be found in contempt, keeping in mind that he did bring the mortgage payment current, but we've had to attend to in-person hearings on this. And that's, part of the reason the attorney's fees are so high is Ms. Phelps is paying me to drive here and have a court hearing and drive back in addition to drafting our motions and affidavits and so on. And it's expensive to do this in order to try to get Mr. Chanel's compliance. Also today, I would ask that the court would set this for a trial date because we're getting nowhere. So we should have a trial date.
Ms. Jonas, would you think that it would be a half day or a full day?